Can I help you, boys?
Yeah, we need to come up with some ideas and inspiration, so we're gonna drink a bunch of cough medicine.
Whoa, boys, that's not what you need to come up with ideas.
It's not?
No! What you want is Cominex PM. It has the dextriptan in it that causes hallucinations in large doses.
Oh, okay.
Now, if it's more of a lucid, speedy kind of high you're looking for, I do also carry the Daytap Cold and Flu. Then there's the maximum strength Codatussin Cough and Cold. But of course, that's only if you really want to trip balls.
What do you think, Phyllis? I guess we'll just take all of them.
That's the spirit. All right, boys, I'll just need your parents' permission. Kidding! I'm just pulling your legs. Come on over to the register.